Here's our box break video for the week. It's NBA Hoops Blaster. We get these from Walmart. They're 2023-24. Looking for some of this year's rookies. Gonna break them open, see what hits we get. So, go ahead. How many packs do we get in here, bud?
We got 6 packs, 15 per each pack.
Yeah. And no guarantee of hits. We have previously bought hobby boxes, and didn't get anything too spectacular, but we'll see here. I have to try to remember the rookies. Jeff Howard there, Dwayne Wade. I don't like how they change them every single one here. Got this purple. Who is that? Marjon Beacom. And this is Jalen Wilson. So, nothing too great. I'm not sure what to expect. I think when you buy the blasters, you can't, don't hope, just cross your fingers.
Brandon Miller, that's a good one. Second pick this year.
All right, let's put that aside. Michael Portis, all right, what do we have here? What a name, Grady Dick.
Yeah.
Nice Jason Tatum card.
Yep.
We're Celtic fans, so that's a
good one
for us, personal collection.
Grady Dick's not a bad one either. Wasn't bad at Kansas. So.
Wasn't bad where?
Kansas.
I gotta watch more college basketball. Some of these names are tough to see. KD, that's a good one. I mean,
Jones,
Joel Embiid.
Brunson's a good one too.
All right. Oh, get something here. So before we show it, Colby Jones. And it's a relic of
Kobe Brown. I'd take that.
From the Clippers. It's something, right?
Something. You can't expect much, but something. Right?
Exactly. Probably not worth much, but if you have fun breaking open, that's the good part.
D Rose.
Here's a rookie, Jeff Howard. I think I already saw him, right? Dwayne Wade.
Again. Him again, too.
It's like the exact pack we opened earlier.
Yeah.
That's Panini.
Jonathan
Kuminga.
Yep. That's a good one right there. Julius Alexander.
All right.
One MVP front runners right now.
Do you want to fix those cards for me?
Yes.
Get one more pack from this blaster to go.
Oh, that's
Kobe Brown. Yeah.
You got Curry there.
That's decent, right?
That's decent, yeah. Jalen Green.
I mean, we're not thinking we're going to make millions off this, or thousands, or hundreds.
Giddey.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what's happening with him.
Jamie Jacquez.
Yeah, I don't really know. Okay.
And last pack for this blaster.
Shy again.
Anything?
CP3.
Yeah. Celtics, Jason Tatum.
You like that. Jimmy
Butler. Oh, this is
Celtics,
Grant Williams.
This is on Mavs. It's just on his jersey.
And Brandon Miller.
Yep, second pick.
All right. So we're going to open up the second box. And these are, I think, $25 a piece. I typically stick with hobby, but when it is not a store really close to me and I want to break stuff open, this is going to have to do. Right, Ronnie?
Yeah. Just for basketball. You don't really get in basketball.
Junk?
Usually. Baseball is where it's at.
Yeah.
For us, at least. Scoot Henderson. Oh, maybe he
Ooh,
might have
Kevin
been,
Garnett.
He might have been second pick. I don't know. All those guys were top 3.
Cam Reddish.
Jake Cunningham.
Oh.
Did we get another Kobe guy?
We did. We got Kobe's brother.
It's not Kobe's brother.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know. I was joking.
All right, so we get 2 jersey cards.
His white jersey. Box.
And we got this Dynamo's Tatum card, right?
Yep.
That's cool. All right, so no autographs. I think you can expect much out of Hoops.
We got Shaq there.
Shaquille O'Neal.
Ismail Thompson.
DeAndre Ayton.
Barrett. Jamal Murray.
That's not too bad.
What's that?
These greetings from
Hawkins.
New Orleans. I like the design on these cards.
I like that one, yeah. That's a nice one. It's like a postcard.
Yeah. All right, we got a few more packs there. Break through.
Zion. Derek Lively is actually pretty underrated too.
Luka.
Yes. Jaylen Brown.
Jaylen Brown. A good one for us.
Oh, is that Trey Jones? But that was Wemby for a second because you saw Spurs.
Yeah, Wembley would be good just to get the base card. D Rose. Who's this again?
Keontae George.
Yeah, George, all right.
Scoot Henderson.
John Collins. What's this card?
Oh.
Skyview, Kyrie Irving.
Oof, I don't know if we don't say that in this house anymore.
He's still a good ball player.
Yeah, I still kind of like him, I'll be honest. Shy again.
Swanson.
KD.
KD. Who's this?
Greek freak.
Giannis. Is it Giannis? It's Giannis.
Everyone used to think it was that.
Who's this?
Oh, he's actually pretty good.
Jay Morant. Did you see Jay Morant just getting out for the season?
Yeah, surgeon.
Shoulder surgery.
Something just a
All right.
finger or something like that.
So last pack. Not the best of boxes, but
we get
LeBron.
The king.
No Wembley, it looks like. Taylor Hendricks and so I think these are the, as far as we know, these are the 2 jersey cards,
Both
2
Kobe's.
Kobe's,
Yep.
Hawks, Clippers. So stay tuned. We have a bunch more box breaks to come. Like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. We have a lot more to come. See you soon.